utilizing subjects is important in a team channel. And I would manually ask people to add subjects, and which worked great. People eventually did, but I thought maybe there's a way I could automate this. So let's take a look at what a channel looks like without subjects. So these are a bunch of LinkedIn posts. All right. So, and then let's look at one that has subjects. So I've got two different teams here. And so as you notice, much easier to see messages that have subjects. So what I've done is use the flow to reply. So I just did this. It's going to take a minute or two. Sometimes it's quicker. As you notice, I did one this morning. It took 2 minutes, and it replies back with some text. So there's actually 3 different statements it might reply back with. I'll show you how I did that. So let's take a look at the code for the flow. I'll just give you a quick overview, and then we'll go in depth on a couple little things. It's not that complicated. So, obviously we have our team, which is called subjects, the channel, general. And then I initialize a variable here, string variable, and I'm going to randomly select one of 3 options. And to do one of 3, you actually do 1,4, as you see there. All right. And so here's some of the different things that we would have. You go, don't shoot the messenger. Please don't subject us to messages. Here, I'll zoom in for you. Whoops, sorry about that. And then what would school be like without subjects? So I got 3 different options. Then we have the condition. And here it says, if the trigger body subject is equal to null, so that's when it'll run. And then we have what it does is post a reply with the message ID that triggered it off, and it does the random response to one of those 3 options. All right. The only other thing that we do here is, I'll zoom out there, is in here, in settings, we go into here and we do a trigger condition. So the reason why we're doing this is there are 3 different scenarios where we don't want this to run as well. So one being if someone posts something from a calendar, team's calendar, and it posted to the team, it was replying with my text, and we didn't want to do that. Also, if people had attachments from a OneDrive and it posted it into the team, it would reply, add a subject. I didn't think that was fair. There was one other scenario, and I don't remember what it is, but I will post all this code. And so there's 3 things in here. There's an OR statement, and it's basically as long as it's not these different things, it will post the automated text. So the 3rd one was an HTML. I can't remember what that was for, but anyways, so there it is. I'll post that inside this post. So nice little easy flow, not very complicated to make. I can always export this flow out and send it to you if you don't want to make it, or you can make it from this. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're having a good day.